Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to a weekly series where our students showcase their progress of having their names published in international journals. This is the place where our students have this journey from being a student to a researcher, then to a real world practitioner. And this is one of the stages, or one of the steps that they take in the initial phase. Now, let's see who we have as guests today with us. So, today we have with us Lokesh R, who has a bachelor's in optometry and a double master's, one in optometry and other in management. He has a very vast teaching experience also as a lecturer for about 5 years in the optometry education. And he's here today with us to talk about his paper titled Enhancing Solar Power Reliability, AI-driven Anomaly Detection, Fault Diagnosis, and Performance Optimization. Welcome, Lokesh. How are you doing, man?
Hi, I'm doing good. And thanks for the introduction. It was very kind of you.
Thank you. Thank you, Lokesh. It would be very great if you could take us through this project that you have been part of. Could you take us through the project scope as well as the architecture diagram for this?
Sure. Yeah, can do that. Okay. Hi, guys. Firstly, I'm Lokesh, and Vibin has given a fair enough introduction about me. And I have worked in a project with AiSPRY. And the project is about the solar panel anomaly detection. And there we had a business problem, like it's an alloy manufacturer company, and they had some insufficient power generation due to solar panel anomalies happening frequently. So they have come to us, and we had an objective to maximize the anomaly detection. So if you can able to detect the anomaly, then yeah, probably we can able to treat, because the solar panels will be vast in number, and it is important to detect which panel is not working, malfunctioning. So that's our objective. And here comes our constraint, which is to minimize the operational disruptions. And then we have three criteria in this project. One is our business criteria. And here we have to achieve a 25% reduction in anomalies. And our machine learning success criteria will be around 98%. We should get an accuracy on that in order to get the perfect model for that. And the economic success criteria would be around 40% reduction in the solar panel anomaly detection, so that we can able to efficiently use the operational cost. So that's the exact project, and we had built an project architecture for this. So here what we will do is, we have our data source from SCADA system. From there, we will insert our data into SQL. We have used SQL here. And then we have pre-processed the data, and we have entered the process data into the SQL again. And we had done this in two modes. One, we have done a data visualization, and with the help of the server, we have transferred it to the client to understand the visualization of the data. So what are all the efficient solar working there normally, and which is the abnormal data from the SCADA system. And the second stream is our part, which is our model building. Here we have used multiple model building algorithms, and with the help of this, we have deployed this into Flask. And then we have done uploaded this into cloud, and we have given this to the client. And the part of this is taken into monitoring and maintenance. And here is our model output. We have used several machine learning algorithms, and with the help of the majority, since we have used multiple algorithms, so if a data point is mentioned by two or more of the algorithms as an anomaly, then we will predict it as the anomalous data. So here we have given 111, so which is actually the anomaly. And 0 will be a non-anomalous data, which is normal. So this is our output, and from here the client can able to understand which is anomalous and which is not.
Thank you, Lokesh, very much for taking us through this detailed understanding of the project.
Sure.
From the looks of it, it looks a very interesting, very different project. So since it is a very different and very interesting project, there would be for sure the idea of whether we are able to get the solution. Is the solution possible?
That's right.
When did you feel that solution is possible for such a problem?
So actually, the thing is, when we have to find out the anomaly points, so that is for sure. There is no backing up on this, and the main challenge comes when the client will be giving all the data to you, and you have to decide which one you have to select. For that, we should have a detailed understanding about how solar panel works, right? Because we are from different fields. We will be from IT sectors, and probably I'm from medical as well. So I have to understand how the solar panel actually works and what are all the states where it might get anomalous. So there I feel it is very a bit challenging. And yeah, obviously we have to read all those things about it. We should know all the small detail to understand which is the anomaly point over there.
Okay. Okay. Now, see, I believe that was one of the only problem that you face. There will be many more. Could you give me an example where you just mitigated a solution for it, or came up with a solution for a very challenging situation?
Simple, Ruben. So we have to read a lot about the solar panel. On that way, we can able to understand which will be the anomaly points, because we are having a lot of rows and columns the client has given us. We have to be very selective on which we have to take and where we can get a good output on that. So in that way, we have to read a lot about solar panel, and we can understand which point we have to take, and we can include that into the machine learning. And yeah, that's it. We will get a good result on that.
Okay, wonderful. So
Yeah.
there is a lot of ad hoc, custom, bespoke techniques that we have to follow for the solution. Is what my
Yeah,
understanding is, right?
that's
Yes.
right.
Okay. So you being from a medical background,
Yeah.
and which is not someone you often see in the data science field too. What were the challenges and any tips or suggestions that you have for our viewers who would want to switch over from a medical field, or for that matter, any other domain, and start working on this data science, AI, and this AI-driven or data-driven goal that you're just moving on?
Great, got it. So the first and the foremost thing is data science. Why I have took this is because like it's like booming field. To be honest, it's a booming field, and it's very learning friendly. To be honest, so people whoever from different domains, they can do data science, because we are having a lot of resources. Even 360 TMG, they are giving a lot of resources to understand the understand things better. Okay, so that's the thing, and I would recommend it for sure to the people from other domains who want to pursue a data science background, and they want to shift their career into this, because it's very learning friendly. If you have passion, you can do it for sure. That's it.
Wonderful, wonderful talking to you, Lokesh.
Yeah, thanks,
As
Ruben. Thanks
always,
for the opportunity.
thank you for joining us.
Yeah,
So, friends,
thanks.
you've heard from Lokesh. Passion is one thing that is very important for anyone or from any domain that you would want to join or come into this field of data and this booming AI-driven field that we are right now in. So, thank you, Lokesh. Wonderful talking to you.
Thanks, Ruben. Thanks, Ruben.
Right.
Thanks for the opportunity.
Right. Thank you. Let's continue and just talk about why you would have to choose, or why do you think 360 DigiTMG is a good option if for someone who wants to transition their career into the data science and AI field. So as you could see, as over the weeks that we have been having this live, where people from different domains, from different experience ranges are coming to this live, showcasing their papers which they have published, what is that they have done. So you could see that we have been providing hands-on mentorship. They have this wonderful opportunity to work on real-world AI, data analytics, data science projects, and that we provide research guidance to. Research to product guidance is there. And at the same time, once you are part of this phase where you are working on research papers, you are working on real-world projects, you are attending client meetings, you are attending Scrum calls, okay, it becomes easy for you to get placed. Okay, because in placements and all, if you go for interviews, the interview would want someone who has an exposure to the working culture, who has a knack to solve problems. And if there is a problem, a challenge, how do you mitigate that problem? That's what interviewers or people who want to hire would be looking. And this is where 360MG excels, where we give you the opportunity, we train you, we ensure that you go through the challenges that a real world problem would have. We help you in solving or understanding how to solve that problem, and at the same time help you with the guidance to publish your papers, get into jobs. So that's why 360 Digit MG can go and enroll there. And other than that, for anyone who wants to just go and visit our website, what do we have in a website that would interest you? Let's see. So we have mind map, ML architecture assistant, RO hub, as well as animated learning. Mind map, animated learning are quick reference tools that you can go and understand about any flow, whether it's data science or data analytics or artificial intelligence, cloud platforms. So we have a very good tool which gives you a exact roadmap of what you have to learn and how you have to do it. Same time, very good reference for interviews. Animated learning would have GIF files or video files, which gives you exact understanding of how the data or how the movement, how the process or workflow is for a certain task. And ML architecture assistant is a tool where you can quickly create your architecture diagrams. And the latest addition to this is RO Hub, where you can upload your resume as well as the job description, the job that you're applying for, and see how much is the match. And if you have a good match, fine. If you don't have a good match, you can there and then itself ensure that you can create your resume and map it accordingly to the job description so that there is a clearance that you get from the ATS. Now, we have this 2-day workshop on Monday, which is the 14th and 15th July. 2-day workshop. Timings are 9:50 a.m. Indian Standard Time. For anyone who wants to contact us offline, you can contact us at Hyderabad office, Bengaluru, and Chennai. Hyderabad office is Madhapur, Bengaluru is in HSR, Chennai, it is in Nungampakkam. You can visit our offices from 9 to 6. And if you want to email us, inquiry@360digitmg.com is the email ID. You can always visit our website at 360digitmg.com. We are also having a presence in LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. You can contact us any of these different social media platforms. Thank you, everyone. Happy learning.